everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into wall-to-wall carpets. Whether you're redesigning your home or just curious, you're in the right place. Let's jump into the world of wall-to-wall carpets. Types of wall-to-wall carpets. First, the types of wall-to-wall carpets. Cut pile carpet. Popular for its soft, plush feel. Great for living rooms and bedrooms. Loop pile carpet. Durable and resistant to wear, perfect for high-traffic areas. Cut and loop carpet. Combines cut and looped fibers, creating unique patterns and textures. Saxony carpet. Tightly twisted fibers for a smooth, elegant appearance. Ideal for formal settings. Textured carpet. Uneven fibers help hide footprints and vacuum marks, perfect for busy households. Features and aesthetics. Wall-to-wall carpets come in various colors, patterns, and materials, allowing for customization to fit your style. Color and pattern. From bold hues to neutral tones and simple solids to intricate designs. Material. Wool, nylon, polyester, and olefin each offer unique benefits. Benefits of wall-to-wall carpeting. Why consider wall-to-wall carpeting? Here are the benefits: comfort and warmth. Adds insulation, keeping your home cozy. Noise reduction. Absorbs sound, making your home quieter. Safety. Non-slip and soft, providing a safer environment. Aesthetic appeal. Matches your decor, enhancing your home's look. Installation and maintenance tips. Professional installation ensures a perfect fit. For maintenance, regular vacuuming prevents dirt buildup and fiber matting. Deep cleaning. Use a carpet shampooer or steam cleaner periodically. Spot cleaning. Blot spills immediately and use appropriate cleaners. Professional cleaning. A professional clean every 12 to 18 months maintains appearance and hygiene. So, that's your guide to wall-to-wall carpeting. We hope this helps you make an informed decision for your home. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.